Hello and welcome to DS Lego Clicks again. Today I am going to give video link of downloading my file, which is a game and it's a runner game. Wait, let me find where I've stored it. Yeah, application. So this is my runner game. You will get the exe in the description. Directly go and download it. I think you know how to download MediaFire files. If you don't know, you can watch this video which is coming up here. You can watch this video and I've shown you how to download from MediaFire links. Okay, go ahead, download the exe and go to the installation, and one such file called application will be either created on your desktop or in your PC. Just come here. If you don't find the application, just come here and type runner. You will get the runner.exe called the icon game. Okay, so you can just open it from here also and from here also, wherever you get it, and it will take some time. Yeah, made with Unity. Okay, this game is made with Unity. I made this game. Let's run it. Okay, so this game is eating cube. So this directly start. Boom. Okay, so the main motto of the game is to copy the runner game, as it's my first project. You know that old video of Assassin's Pro. That's my second project where I've used the FPS micro game, but this is full based on Unity's 3D core engine, nothing extra. And you know, for background music, awesome background music, you can use this application. How to use this application, from where to download, for that go to the comments and write that. I'll make one video on that if I see enough comments. Okay. So, thanks for watching and play this game. Try once.